I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Godot Mono build matching, Net SDK and mobile SDKs installed. Once done, create a new Godot project with C# language selected so project files and SLN are generated. Make sure the Mono editor settings point to your SDK path. This prevents build errors later. Next, add a simple C# script to a node to verify compilation. Doing this first reduces debugging time when exporting to Android or iOS. Once your project compiles, configure export settings for mobile. You must pick Mono or IL2 CPP depending on performance and platform requirements. Mono is simpler for debugging, IL2 CPP gives speed. Configure your package ID, key store for Android, and provisioning for iOS. Then tune player settings. Limit garbage collection overhead and strip unused engine modules to save APK/IPA size. Finally, build a release with a small test scene to verify runtime behavior on an actual device. To finish, deploy the built package to a device and monitor logs. You want to catch missing assembly errors or runtime exceptions early. If an assembly won't load, check your csproj and export filters, then re-export. Make sure native libraries match target ABIs and required permissions are declared. If things go wrong, reproduce the crash locally, enable detailed logs, and rebuild with debug symbols for a quick trace. Once stable, switch to release and strip symbols to reduce size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.